issue of debentures. Under this topic, we will now study about the provisions as per Companies Share Capital and Debentures Rules 2014. So these provisions are related to the issue of debentures. Let us now study the provisions as per Companies Share Capital and Debentures Rules 2014, Rule 18. The tenure of secured debentures. As per the rules, debentures have to be repaid back within 10 years from the date of its issue. So these debentures have to be repaid within that particular period itself. But certain government companies like infrastructure projects or companies permitted by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, central government or RBI, these companies can issue debentures for a period of more than 10 years, but it has to be repaid within 30 years. Create charge on assets. Debentures by default hold a charge on the assets of the company. These charges on the assets of the company can be on the main company, that is the holding company, or it can be on the subsidiary company. The value of these assets, that is the security on these assets, should be equivalent to the amount of debentures issued in the market. Government companies, there is no charge on the assets. This is because the central or the state governments are holding a guarantee for these debentures, and therefore the government companies need not have any charge on the assets of it held. Appointment of debenture trustees. Debenture trust deed has to be prepared within 30 days from the allotment of debentures. And so these debentures that are going to be there, that is, it has to, before issuing of these prospectus or offer letter, the company, when it appoints these debenture trustees, the trust deed has to be prepared. And this debenture trust deed has to be prepared within 60 days from the allotment of the debentures. This trust deed contains the terms and conditions for which it is going to be valid for the principal amount and for the interest that has to be repaid. So the repayment of the principal amount and the interest has to be done as per the rules and the terms mentioned in the trust deed. Create debenture reserve. So this debenture redemption reserve means the reserve that is created out of the profits that is earned by the company every year. This reserve is going to be utilized for the repayment of the debentures. At least 25% of the value has to be kept aside before 30th of April every year. 15% of the amount of the debentures to be invested, up to that much, this amount has to be kept aside. The debenture redemption reserve has to invest or deposit this money, whatever has been got, that is 25%. So this amount has to be invested somewhere else. At least 15% of that has to be invested before 31st March every year. And so this amount of investment that is there, that is going to be kept aside, is going to be maturing. That is, this amount is going to be invested. This amount has to be reutilized only for the repayment of the debentures.